Hello. So today again we will discuss one question from CAT 2020 slot 1. It is more of a related to exponents. So let's directly peep the question. Right. The number of real valued solutions of an equation 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to minus x is equal to 2 minus x minus 2 whole square is. Okay. So it's a basic analysis based question here. My values given are 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to minus x is equal to 2 minus x minus 2 whole square. Right? Few things which you have to identify in this. The first thing which we can identify here is this value will always be a positive value, right? This value will always be a positive value, right? So I can say that the maximum value possible for this complete is nothing but 2, right? That's the first thing which you can identify, right? So maximum value is 2 when x will be equal to 2 here, right, for this part, right? Or else we can say when x will be equal to 2, this complete value will be equal to 0, and the overall, it's a power given as 2, an even power, so overall value will be 0. So 2 minus 0, the value is in with 2. But if we'll take something else, let's take some example also. Suppose I have taken the value as x as 3, suppose. So value is supposed to be 2 minus 3 minus 2 whole square, right? Obviously in that case the value is nothing but 2 minus 1 or else 1. So value is reducing here, or else it can be a negative value. So maximum it can be nothing but 2 here, right? That's the first thing which we have identified. So we have worked on this part. This provides me these many informations, right? Second thing is it's 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to minus x, right? So I can write the value as 2 raised to x plus 1 by 2 raised to x, right? So assuming 2 raised to x is equal to a, I can always say, and I know that these are the positive values here, so a plus 1 by a is the value. If this is the condition, this value has to be greater than or equal to 2, right? Greater than or equal to 2. So if we'll work on this side, it says that the left hand side has to be greater than or equal to 2, but if we'll work on the right hand side, it says that the value should be less than or equal to 2. Only possibility now is nothing but left hand side. For my equation, left hand side should be equal to right hand side, and that will be nothing but 2, right? So for that, my condition is, if I'll keep this value as 2, then whether the equation is possible or not. To have 2 as this value, my value of x is supposed to be nothing but 2, right? So if the value of x is 2, in that case my value on the left hand side is 2 square plus 2 raised to minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 2 raised to 0, but both them are not equal, right? So it doesn't satisfy as my condition. So this was the only possibility, and it doesn't satisfy the condition here. If it doesn't satisfy the condition, that means I'll have altogether 0 values possible here. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us.